A British astronaut filmed lightning on Earth from the International Space Station. The video is pretty cool. At the time of the video, the ISS was flying from North Africa over Turkey and towards Russia. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. This means that lightning is visible when it strikes. However, sound travels much slower. If you hear the thunder 15 seconds after you see the lightning is around 4.8 kilometers away. The astronaut has 400,000 followers on Twitter. Last week, he also tweeted a picture of the waxing moon.